Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a cannot type in Windows 10 search bar not working. So how can fix this type of errors? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all press the Control Alt and Delete button. Go to your task manager, go to your file, click on a run new task and type a C columns backslash Windows backslash system32 backslash ctfmon dot exe, and after that click on a create this task manager administrator privileges. Click on OK button. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that press a Control Alt and Delete button, go to your task manager, go to your file options, click on new task, and after type a CMD and click on a create this task with the administrative privileges. Click on OK button. Now task manager will be opens and type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After doing this step, the process will be started and it's required of a few minutes to complete this. After that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that press the control or alt and delete button and go to your task manager. After doing this that, find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Click on it and click on restart button. And after doing this state, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that open any browser and go to your any search engine. Type a Windows 10 download. Click on first link is microsoft.com Windows 10 disk image. Scroll down and click on create download 10 installation media. Click on download now. Click on save button, and after doing this step, double click and open a setup. Click on accept button. Select a upgrade this PC now and click on a next button. When you click on a next button, the process will be started and it's required of a few hours to complete this process. After completing that, your computer automatically restart and your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.